Happy Sabbath, everyone. Health Nugget will be about grapes. What are they? Grapes are versatile, nutrient-dense berries belonging to the genus Vitis, cultivated for over 8,000 years for eating fresh, drying into raisins, or fermenting into wine. What nutritional value does it have? A standard 100-gram serving of raw European grapes provide 69 calories, 18.1 grams carbohydrates, 0.9 grams of fiber, 181 milligrams of potassium, and 3.3 milligrams of vitamin C. What are some health benefits? Heart protection. Grapes contain polyphenol, which relax blood vessels, lower blood pressure, and reduce inflammation. Cholesterol management. Soluble fiber of and antioxidants in the fruit skin help lower bad LDL cholesterol by preventing its absorption and clearing it from the bloodstream. Immune system support. 1 cup of grape provides over a quarter of your daily vitamin C requirement, which stimulates white blood cell production to fight off infections. Brain health. Antioxidants improve blood circulation to the brain, helping to protect cognitive functions and lower the risk of neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's. Blood sugar regulation. Despite being naturally sweet, grapes have a low glycemic index and can improve insulin sensitivity when consumed in moderation. Bone strength. They deliver vital bone building materials, including vitamin K, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Skin health. The antioxidants shield skin from UV damage, while natural acids help brighten and rejuvenate the complexion. Side effects of too much grapes. Digestive distress. Grapes are high in fructose and fiber. Flooding your system too much of either in one sitting can overwhelm your gut, leading to gas, bloating, cramps, or diarrhea. Blood sugar spikes. While a single service has low glycemic index, eating an entire bag means a heavy influx of carbohydrates. This can cause a rapid spike and subsequent crash in blood glucose levels, which is especially risky for individuals with prediabetes or diabetes. Some more. Weight gain. Grapes are relatively low in calorie per serving. Buy a full bag can easily equal the calorie out of a small meal. Consuming those extra calories consistently without adjusting your overall diet will contribute to unwanted weight gain. Medical interferences. Grapes contain high levels of potassium in a compound called resveratrol. Eating them in massive quantities can interact poorly with blood thinners or heart medications like beta blockers, increasing the risk of bruising or internal bleeding. Ways to eat grapes. Savory roasted grape farro bowl. Roasting grapes break down their skin and transform them into juicy, sweet flavor bombs that pair perfectly with earthy grains. How to make it. Toss 1 cup of whole grapes with 1 teaspoon of olive and a pinch of rosemary. Roast at 400 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes until wrinkled. Mix the warm grapes into cooked nutty farro or quinoa and top with fresh arugula and a drizzle of rich reduction like the Negris balsamic glaze. Some more. High protein creamy grape salad. Traditional grape salads rely heavily on cream cheese and heavy brown sugar. This version uses Greek yogurt for a protein boost and natural honey for sweetness. How to make it. Whisk 1.5 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, and a dash of vanilla extract together. Fold into 1 cup of half red and green grapes until fully coated. Top with 2 tablespoons of crushed salty cashews or pecans for a healthy fat crunch. That's it.